Welcome to Best Reviews, your go-to channel for discovering the coolest and most innovative tech on the market. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best smart rings of 2025. The most powerful, stylish, and game-changing wearable devices that put health tracking, notifications, payments, and more right at your fingertips. If you're ready to level up your lifestyle with cutting-edge convenience, then make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that like button to support more awesome content like this. And don't worry, if you spot a smart ring you love, all the product links are waiting for you in the description box below, so you can grab yours instantly. Let's get started. The Amazfit Helio is the perfect health companion for those who want deep insights without subscriptions. Built with lightweight titanium alloy, it delivers all-day comfort while tracking sleep stages, heart rate variability, blood oxygen, and stress levels with impressive accuracy. Its EDA sensor helps monitor emotional changes throughout the day, giving you real-time stress management support. Whether you're tracking fitness performance with VO2 max data via the Zepp app, or jumping into the pool thanks to its shower and swim-resistant build, this ring keeps up with every lifestyle. The RingConn Gen 2 Air takes health tracking to a more intelligent level with AI-powered wellness insights. It continuously monitors sleep, heart rate, blood oxygen, stress, and even menstrual cycles, then delivers personalized guidance through its built-in AI assistant. Designed to feel like it's barely there, this ultra-thin 2mm profile weighs only 2.5 grams, making it perfect for workouts, swimming, or sleeping without noticing it's on. There are no app fees for core features, and it works seamlessly with both iOS and Android. Just make sure to order the RingConn sizing kit first for the perfect fit. If you want more than just tracking, the AIVELA Ring Pro turns your finger into a smart control hub for your entire digital life. Featuring an optical finger navigation sensor, it detects even the tiniest finger gestures to let you control your phone, earbuds, camera, and more, without touching your screen. Whether you're skipping songs, snapping photos, or managing notifications, AIVELA makes it all effortless and futuristic, combining productivity, fitness tracking, and everyday convenience in one elegant ring. Samsung joins the competition with the Galaxy Ring, a premium AI-powered smart ring built exclusively for Android users. Designed for all-day comfort, it offers up to 7 days of battery life while working as a sleep tracker, fitness monitor, and wellness companion. Its elegant and lightweight titanium-style body blends seamlessly with any outfit, whether you're at the gym, at work, or relaxing at home. It's also FSA/HSA eligible, making it more accessible for health-focused users. Just like others, you'll need the Galaxy Ring sizing kit first, but Samsung even gives you a credit towards your purchase when you do. Topping our list is the legendary Oura Ring 4, now upgraded with even more accuracy, design comfort, and long-lasting performance. This powerhouse tracks over 50 health metrics, including sleep, heart rate, stress, and women's health, powered by smart sensing technology that learns your body's rhythm over time. With up to 8 days of battery life, no distractions from screens or vibrations, and an all-titanium water-resistant design, it's engineered for 24/7 wear, even for sensitive skin. While it does require a membership after the first free month, its in-depth reports and precision tracking make it the gold standard of smart rings in 2025.